Jihan, do you think fire needs oxygen to burn? Yes? Okay then. So, I need 3 candles which has fire, and I have this bottle which has been cut in the bottom, and I have a bottle which is cut in half. So we are going to leave this one burning. I'm going to put these 2 bottles on top of these, and I'm going to put them one by one. So I'm going to put this and count how much seconds it takes to get off. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took 4 seconds. Only 4 seconds to get off. Now let's put the big bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So it takes 18 seconds to off. So why this is still burning? Because this one has unlimited amount of oxygen, so it can burn for as long as it wants. But these 2 add only a little bit of oxygen, so until it could burn up all the oxygen, it did. But then it offed.